You know, it's got 6 colors and 6 sides. Do you know the number of different patterns you can make by mixing up this cube? If you're a mathematician, you would know that. So the number of different patterns you can make with the Rubik's Cube is 43 quintillion. Any idea how much is a quintillion? A quintillion is a billion. Now the good news about Rubik's Cube is whatever pattern somebody has mixed this into, if you know how to solve a cube, in less than 20 moves you can solve it. Now let me show you something here. If I mix up this cube, you can see that I'm genuinely mixing this cube. Can you see that? So there is no pattern. I'm not even looking at it as I am mixing it up. Now to solve this cube, how much time do you think it would take? See, I can solve it just by a wave of my hand. Now you might think this is magic, but this is not magic. This is not a trick cube. This is a regular cube. I'm going to move this cube 20 times over. So let me move this 20 moves away from the ideal solution, which is this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now this cube is 20 moves away from a solution. You know what is the world record for solving a cube, by the way? 4.5 seconds. That is the world record. Now I'm going to try and beat that record right in front of you. Less than 4 seconds to solve this cube which has been moved 20 times over. Watch. If somebody can start. Okay, I'll just move.
Yes, sir. I'll start the timer, sir.
Just say start and I'll start.
Start. Ah, I just stopped it.
Yeah, it's faster than you could hit the button. And this
Actually, 1 second, I think. I didn't stop it actually.
this cube was 20 moves away from being solved. Okay, now this is not what I wanted to show you. I was talking to you about memory power. See, if you ever attend Rubik's Cube competition, they don't give you a mixed cube all the time and tell you solve it in record time. I mean, that's only a part of the competition. Most of the time, they ask you to take a card from you. Now, if you look at these cards, you know, this is from a Rubik's Cube competition place. Let me just show it to you. Can you read it? It says Rubik's Cube World Championship. Yeah? It's a challenge card. It's a challenge card. And there are various patterns in this. Not a single pattern is the same. I told you there are 43 quintillion patterns, but in my hand I hold around 30 or 40 cards and they are all different. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up this card so nobody knows what it is. I have no idea what it is.
Yes.
Dr. Subhashini, can you be my pretty assistant for a moment? Say yes. Unmute yourself, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. So, doctor, can you see these cards in my hand? Okay, you can see as I go through that each of them has got a different pattern. I'm going to deal them face up and you tell me stop at any place you want, okay? Do you want this one or do you want that one?
Stop.
This
Stop,
one?
stop.
That's the one you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this
Yes,
is the one
that
you
is the one I
want.
want.
Okay, and so I'll keep that there, and I want to show you that each and every one of this design is different, and you could have stopped me on anything. Okay, now we have only 10 minutes, so we need to finish it. I'll keep rest of the cards away. Okay, and what I'll do is, will it fit inside? No, I'll keep this there. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, the challenge for me is to make this cube into that pattern. Okay?
Okay.
Now that's going to be more difficult than taking a mixed cube and solving it. That is easy. But to take a solved cube and make that pattern is going to be difficult. Now I still don't know what that pattern is. You just chose it. I have to study the pattern, I have to memorize it, and then without looking I need to solve it. Yeah? So that's what I need to do. I'm going to look at it for 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds only. Okay? So you tell me, just count in your mind 1 to 10 and tell me stop. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, start.
Yes, sir. Stop, sir.
Okay, I'll keep it there. I think I've done it. I've done it. Let me prove to you. This is the card that you chose, right?
Yes.
I looked at it for 10 seconds only. Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
can you see it or do you want me to raise it to see for
Yes,
yourself?
a little bit closer, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I can able to see, sir.
And do you see that the patterns match?
I didn't type the yes, sir. It's a perfect man.
It's a perfect match, right? This is in some random order out of 43 quintillion. So I can solve this in two ways. Either I can solve it by moving the parts, or like I did earlier, I can just shake my hand like this and solve it.
It's one. That's
Yeah.
Kindly like, share and comment the channel.